This tutorial I'm going to show you how to change this image from this to this. Hello viewers, as always Dr. Tom Mexi or Studio Dr. Tom from Vibrator Studio Online with your brains, and today I'm going to show you how to change the background of an image in Photoshop. It's as simple as that. It's so quick and so this is a tip and trick. So without wasting much time, let me show you something. So with your image to images, but this is our background and the image. So we are going to change this background, okay, to this. So it's just simple. What you need to do is select your image, move it, okay, to this place, okay, and do it. Okay, right here is here. So when you hide this, you see it, okay. So what I want you to do is right here, select this layer, select this. Now click on select. Please look at it. Perfect. So what I want you on your machine, I want you to set the view option to on your skin. Okay, I already done that, and the transparent let it to be between 50 to 55. It's okay. And select this quick selection. Over this. Perfect. Let's see. Now after this, I want to refine the edges of the hair. So with the second option here, refine H2. Select that one. To brush over the hair. Perfect. So after this, before you click on the OK, I want you to make sure, okay, like this, move this back, and make sure your output setting is set to layer mask at the output. You see what this is? Layer mask, and click on OK. That's it. Yes, look. You just change out our background. It's so quick and so nice. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Enjoy with your friends, share, and also don't forget to give a good rate to this as you enjoy. Okay? So take care of yourself, stay safe, some other time. Bye bye.